Alright everyone, so I got the cherry bombs installed and the car is louder. It sounds like a V8 now, and I'm going to try to show you, but I mean it is way louder because I'm inside the car and I'm about to hit it. Ready? What a difference. My wife is gonna kill me when I get home. Oh, she's gonna be like, what the heck did you do to this thing? Yeah, it did a number on this bad boy. Good golly. Well, it looks like I've just created a $5,000 sound, and I think I only spent $80 for the cherry bombs, or no, $50 plus tax for the cherry bombs. I spent $120 to get the X pipe in, and $63 with tax to get the cherry bombs put in. So if you add that up, it ain't very much. And this is the sound. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might, when I get home, do one more exhaust hit, but that sounds good. Well, time to get a ticket for being too loud.